Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Music Lover here, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be planning for the week of January 16th through the 22nd in my social media planner. We're going to be using the Cozy Winter Mini Kit from ReddHeadStickers. This is what the kit looks like. It's got a lot of really awesome things on here. Lots of fun cocoa and hugs and warm things. This is going to be an exciting kit to use. I am ready to use it. I am ready to take on this next week. And we got some extra stickers here from ReddHeadStickers as well. Got reel, post, Instagram post, YouTube post, edit and film, new releases, and $2 Tuesdays. So I'm going to be using these items in our planner. So let's go ahead. This is how last week is looking. It is actually Wednesday the 11th, so quite a bit has not been checked off and finished. So this is a fun kit. I really liked this. This was using some ReddHeadStickers items and planning with A designs. But we're going to do this week. Alrighty, so I guess it's time to go ahead and get started. I don't ever use kits like this in my spreads, so this is going to be exciting. Let's start using the date covers because why not? Why not we cover up the days? So last week, well, technically it's this week for me. It's last week for you guys because this is going up on Saturday because Saturdays are social Saturdays. Last week was very fun. I don't know if I'd say fun. I'm still getting over a really bad cold that I've been having. It's like this mystery virus. I don't know if you guys are on TikTok, but if you are and you've seen the posts about that mystery virus, congratulations, I got it. I thought it was the flu. I tested negative for the flu. I thought it was a sinus infection. Wasn't a sinus infection. So the doctors were like, I don't know. So hopefully I get better soon, but who knows? Honestly, at this point, I'm just waking up expecting to be sick because that's just how the cookie crumbles. So yeah, we're just living life here. Okay. Let's do, I want to use some washi. I don't know. Okay, hold on. Let's start with this. Let's do, it's a cocoa day. And why not we use the cocoa stickers? So I think we can layer these here. I might use my whiteout. We might be using some washi. I haven't decided. And then I was thinking of doing this one, like right there, which means I will need to white out that. That's not bad. I think that's kind of cute, actually. Let's do another one. Okay, so I need to make sure I have room for things. But Thursdays are usually days where I don't have anything too much to do as far as writing things down. So we're going to do that. There we go. And since we did one here, I'm kind of thinking I'm going to do one on Wednesday. Because again, Wednesdays are days that I don't really do much. My phone is going off like crazy, so I'm so sorry if you guys can hear that. I'm going to move back over to this side because I need to make sure I have my filming and editing list. So let's go ahead and get that down before we forget. So this is going to be my, here we go, film and edit. film list. And then here, let's see, do we have the same color? I think we do. We do not. That's okay. We'll do the blue. Use blue. This will be my edit list. Let's grab edit. I love these filming and editing scripts from ReddHeadStickers. They are amazing and they're great. We're going to use important, and we're going to put an important list up here. Oh, hold on. I want to do some deco first. Then we'll do important. Let's have this wreath. And we'll put important right next to it. And I know that we have a checklist somewhere. Here we go. We'll use this checklist for things that are important for me to remember in the week. And we're going to put this sticker here. And these pillows. Ooh, should we do the pillows with the cookies? Let's see. We could sideways the cookies. Ooh, I actually kind of like that. Should we do it over here? Let's do it over here on this side, because I feel like there's not too much going on over here. I don't want the chocolate chip cookie to get cut off. I don't want any of the cookies to get cut off, but layering means that one of them will get cut. So might as well be the snowflake cookie. If I can just get this on straight. There we go. Not bad. Okay. Now we're going to use these checklists here because I can use these for my Instagram pods that I'm in, and a couple of other things that I need to remember as well. Okay, let's start with brown. Then we'll go pink, blue, and gray. Here we go. That's not bad. I like that. We might not use this washi. I kind of want to, though. You know what we can do is we can cut it in half, right? And we can use it along the spine. Oh no, okay, there we go. Here, I'm gonna put this up here. And we're going to lift this up. Oh my gosh, my camera is running, my battery is running low. Oh no, that's not good. Okay, gonna start, might as well start at the bottom. Just work our way up. And then same thing. Ooh, let's see. Ooh, no, we got to do it this way. It's got to be the same direction. Okay. And let's see if we can do the same thing on the other side with the other piece of washi. So then, let's see, this side went that way, so we're going to go this way. Like so. And then, oh, this way. It's this way. Huh. Okay, camera literally cut off as I was finishing the washi here, but we got it on, and that's all that matters. So, only thing I did was finish putting the washi on and punching the holes. So, now, before my battery dies again, we're going to add some more washi. I think I want to, again, cut this in half and do, just to add a little bit of color to this side. And because this is matte paper, it's not going to rip easily, so we're going to fake it. We're going to make a fake rip here. If it'll... And let's see. Not bad, not bad. And I'm thinking of adding a box over here just to add a little bit more of like important to-dos and things like that. That way I can also add this little piece here as well, just to give this corner Okay, I think it's now time to add, because I'm not going to need the this week, next week, work, bills, or meals for this spread, because this is my social media spread. Okay. Let's start with the scripts. So we have $2 Tuesday on Tuesday, obviously. And Friday is new releases. And this is specifically for ReddHeadStickers. I don't know about the rest of them. Like the rest of the PRs that I'm on. But for ReddHeadStickers specifically, we know that $2 Tuesday is on Tuesday. And we know that there are new releases on Fridays, usually. Sometimes there's not, but most of the time she tries to get them on Fridays. So let's use this gray box, and we'll put new releases here. Okay. And I actually haven't really thought through the posts that I'm going to do, but I always do at least 3. So Mondays are always catch-alls. Saturdays are always social Saturdays. And then I try to post on Wednesday and occasionally on Sunday as well. But I think instead I'm going to post on Friday because I don't want to overwhelm myself. And then we've got posts every day for Instagram. Okay, and then for TikTok, I do have my TikTok icons, but I decided that this week I'm just going to use ReddHeadStickers items, and we're going to do that. So Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, or sorry, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays are my TikTok. Oh my gosh. Ripped the letter. Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. So those are my TikToks, and I think that's it. I don't think there's anything else that I need to put in the spread. That is it for my social media spread for this week using the Cozy Winter Kit by ReddHeadStickers. Like I said, every single thing in this planner spread is using ReddHeadStickers items, scripts, icons, all that fun stuff. That's all using ReddHeadStickers items. The only exception are the dates, and those are from, I think they're from Happy Planner. They might just be Dollar Tree stickers. I'm going to be honest with you, not quite sure. But everything else is using the ReddHeadStickers kit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you got some inspiration on how to use the mini kit in a different spread, because you usually see me using that kit in my catch-all, but I thought it would be nice to switch it up and use it in my social media, and I really like how it looks. I think it added a very nice touch to my. If you guys enjoyed this video and you want to see more just like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Click on the notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. And if you enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up. It helps me out a lot. It lets me know that you guys like this content and you want to see more. If you're interested in seeing my other social media Plan With Me spreads, I do now have a playlist for all of those spreads linked in the description box, and I will also leave it somewhere in the cards up here so you guys can check that out if you are interested. Also, don't forget to check the description box for all of the other playlists I have, from planning to crafting to hauls. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got inspired, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!